Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can block someone on Revolut. So please listen carefully on each step I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, make sure that you have the full version of the app or the website and the correct plan so that you will be able to have the full access to everything you need. So first, of course, you will log into your account using your existing credentials or create an account if you don't have one yet. And after logging into your account, you will just have to look for contacts. You will see that feature once you are logged in, and then what you will do is select the person, and then you will just have to tap more options, which is that three dots, and then you will tap block user and just confirm it, and then the user will be black and no payments or messages will be possible from them. And that's just basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.